We're looking today at a bathroom exhaust fan. Now in most cases, when you've got a bathroom exhaust fan, the way to stop the draft coming through the fan is to fit what's called a Draught Stoppa over the top of it. But in cases like this, where we've got a skillion roof, where the ceiling follows the line of the roof, there's very little room above the fan, and it's not possible to fit a Draught Stoppa there. So a very good option for these situations is what we see here, is a Mistral Expressaire fan. So with this fan, as you can see, the blades are normally folded shut and make the seal. When the fan is energized and spins up, the blades fold open and it works perfectly as a fan.